In this one, my lord, Lordship has kept this matter after 4 weeks for filing the report. But in the interim, your Lordship may kindly keep this matter on the next week. I will file the reports after 4 weeks. We are taking out an application. My lord, we have received a letter from the Consulate General of this country. My lord, the Vancouver city has asked for 2 trams to be plied in Vancouver during the FIFA World Cup, my lord, next year. So without your Lordship's leave, we do not want to, my lord, take.
No, trams will be shipped from here.
Trams parts will be shipped.
No, very bad conditions, sir. They laugh at us.
No, they have
Unless you read.
I don't know how they have made the.
We will take out an application, my lord, because this.
That you move independently.
Consulate General of India, your Lordship, we have taken out this application.
Where is it? Where is it?
But it is being filed today. So, Lordship, kindly.
What is the prayer you want?
My lord, we are seeking your Lordship's leave, my lord, because, my lord, the Consulate General of India.
We have not asked you to shut down. If the trams are going to Vancouver, and will it come back or stay there?
Lord, the letter says, my lord, that they, if required.
Then you are selling the tram.
No. My lord, if required, my lord, they will keep. My lord, if required, my lord, the letter.
How many trams you have got?
2 trams, my lord, they have asked for. During the FIFA World Cup, my lord, they will be using this tram, my lord, as a.
I think that we need
for the bilateral relationships of bilateral relation of between the two countries, my lord.
But we are not even participating in FIFA World Cup.
No.
2020.
If our cultural heritage is going to go abroad, we should be happy about it.
But what they cannot preserve it here. They are preserving it abroad.
Only 2 trams.
I'll come back to your Lordship, my lord, with that.
Show that application.
They made another application for recalling of your Lordship's order directing non-bituminization.
Dismiss right and now.
Can you dismiss that application, my lord? Because the only submission was that the VFI can 1 in so-and-so for recalling order by which the respondents were restrained from bituminization of the tram tracks and removing the tram tracks. Can you dismiss that can 1 of 2024?
The received there is 1.7 kilometer Olympic line, which will be available for operation and maintenance of 2 trams. Any upgradation and modification required, safety and so on so is expected to be done by the sending party. You won't spend, sir.
We'll move this application.
Very sorry state of affairs today afternoon. Today afternoon. There is no money for purchase of paper in any of the district courts. No money has been sanctioned for purchase of cartridges or refilling cartridges. The advocates are purchasing paper and giving it to the department in the civil courts and insisting that the person who purchases the maximum number of paper should get the copy of the judgment. Very sorry state of affairs, sir. We will not allow this. We will not allow this. There are 80, more than 40 proposals of the High Court pending. You disregard everything and transfer of land, inter-departmental transfer of land in respect of 11 districts. Every procedure is there. Still it is lying. Nobody knows. So very sorry state of affairs. Sir, it's assuming you apply for a certificate copy and the department says, sir, sorry, sir, there is no paper with us. There is no toner with us. There is no cartridge. That is the state of affairs, sir. Sir, 60 lakh worth of generator has been installed in Malda. It is installed in North 24 Barasat from funds sanctioned under the central grant. Diesel you are not paying. For 5 years it is lying like that. And you are going to rebuff these trams, we will not permit. You please tell the learned advocate general that if monies don't flow, then I will take it up on the judicial side. I don't want to put all of you in embarrassment. This is taking it too far, sir. This is taking it too far. The department, the district judges are begging with the advocates and the advocate council clerks for supplying paper. Canon says you don't use refilled cartridge. Otherwise, the warranty will expire. Where the district judge will do? There's something like you buy an elephant and you don't buy it's called angusam in Tamil, that stick which controls it.
Mouth use that stick.
Mouth. It will be disciplined. This is taking it too far, sir. I will give probably time till Friday. Otherwise, it is going to be a big tug of war. It's going to be really a big tug of war. No matters will move. No matters will move. And at the first instance, any contempt application comes, rule will be issued, they will go to the correction. One-to-one meeting I have held. Chief Secretary, Finance Secretary, everybody took notes. Nothing happened. It's 6 weeks now. Sir, I have been part of several decisions along with my then Chief Justice, including bringing CISF in the Madras High Court campus. CISF has come into Supreme Court on a different footing, not pursuant to a judicial order. In Delhi High Court, it's a temporary measure. In the Madras High Court, it's a permanent measure, both in the principal seat and Madurai bench. 6 orders upheld by Supreme Court. If you want the bull to be caught by the horn, I am ready to take. I am ready to take individual responsibility. You do whatever you want. I have got another probably 100 working days to go. That's it. But this is to see, every zonal judge tells the registrar inspection that paper is not there, toner is not there, pencils are not there. And in Malda, it is an airtight complex. You know the temperature in Malda. The load shedding is heavy. You please travel to Malda in April. How the advocates can argue, how the judges can sit, sir. You go to Barasat, sir. 2-3 judges are sharing the same chamber, and 1945 ceiling fan is rotating on top. This we will say that this prayer has been made, but considering therefore, I was also party to another matter where the then Honorable Chief Justice issued notice to the state government as to why the High Court should not declare financial emergency in the state on account of non-sanction. See, probably we don't have a budget on our own, we don't have revenue. So much of court fee is collected, remitted into your account. Correspondingly, what comes to? Not even 2%. But this is like begging, sir. This is begging, sir. I didn't want to make this public. The moment it says that the Consul General wants you to, sending party has to do. So each time you'll spend not less than 50 to 80 lakhs. This entire suspension has to be redone, including the upgradation and modification safety norms. They may insist on airbags, 30 airbags. No, please tell the Advocate General, if Advocate General so pleases, he may call the Chief Secretary. I am not going to meet the Chief Secretary. I have met him once, twice, the present Chief Secretary. Nothing has moved. And all these district judges write to the Principal Secretary, Judicial Department. He sends it to the concerned department. File is dropped. Sir, what is the problem for interdepartmental transfer of land? Everything is identified. And you are able to do the interdepartmental transfer. In fact, we approved your action. It can be done post facto also. Henceforth, I will correct myself. I was very sad today. That is almost half an hour people were from 11 districts complaint has come. And imagine the plight of the judicial officers. And what respect even the council clerk will give to the court staff. After all, you are living off my paper and my cartridge. What are you drawing a salary? And 60% of the staff are badilis. 13,000, 15,000 per month. Hand-to-mouth existence. Morning 7:30, 8:30 they come. 9:30 they go back. Catch the train, catch the boat, launch, etc. So therefore, we are not able to enforce strict attendance here. How do you think a person will survive after having worked for 20 years plus by drawing a salary of 26,000 or 25,000? Though in the entire country, food is cheapest in Kolkata. That may be one factor. But he's got a family to support. Commuting expenses. And what will it lead to? I don't want to say. And there is continuous demand. Bar Association, Bar Library Club, Council Clerk Association, this High Court Staff Association, please give us room. Please give us room. Recent request from High Court Club, please give us that. There is one sweet shop there in the ground floor. One sweet shop. So, and some small room is there. You please give. Of course, you are gracious enough to give part of the new secretariat building. Now that is also overflowing. And advocates find it so very difficult to commute from one building to another. Right from the time I came as AD1, I've been requesting the engineers do something for the escalator. Deaf ears. Nothing happened. It's like a furnace. Nobody is able to walk. Senior advocate. So unless you cross 60, you will not be able to visualize all these issues. And why are we have been requisitioning for cars? What? Not for joyride, for picnic. Shuttle service. With 6 cars or 8 drivers, what to do? And 5 judges will be standing near the lift. And 3 of them will jump into one car, come here, go there, come here, go there. You add one more line, sir.
I'm taking back those copies.
No. I will return it. The learned senior advocate appearing for the applicant for the state submitted that the state is proposing to file an application for modification of the order on the strength of a communication sent by the Consul General of India, requisitioning 2 trams to be sent to the city of Vancouver, where FIFA 2026 will be held. Surprisingly, in the letter sent by the Consul General of India, dated 19th November 2024, the sending party, namely the government of West Bengal, has to upgrade, modify the trams, 2 trams, to meet the requirement and safety compliance of local operations. And then, if agreed to by both sides, the trams can continue to be retained in Vancouver beyond the period of event as a gift or donation from the government of India / West Bengal. We have highlighted certain issues to the learned senior advocate appearing for the state regarding the financial position, which we do not want to record in writing. Therefore, it is well open to the state to file an application, which will be considered in accordance with law.
May I take one?
This you can return.
Milord, maybe file our objection to the report because we have raised certain objections when the meeting was taken.
You don't file, sir. Let them meet once, twice, thrice. Let them make 100 mistakes. You come forward, we will deal one by one. Or we will replace the committee.
Milord, they have no intention.
Sir, why don't you run through
The report, Milord,
up to 45? Call.
Only not apropos their notice given to us, not leave may be granted to not to add the present incumbent as contemner. But they have issued a notice that the earlier incumbent has demitted his office.
You file application, we will do it.
In the appellate side, not we can do it, not the leave of the court.
All right. Whatever order you pass, normal.
Managing
Serial number 41,